Hello green hearts. Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Look around your home. That empty plastic bottle isn't trash. It is a masterpiece waiting to happen. Today we are capturing the warm, golden sunlight and turning everyday plastic into luxurious high-end planters. Let's breathe new life into your backyard with these 12 stunning, handcrafted upcycling projects that look absolutely professional. Imagine a garden that feels like a deep-sea dream. By simply shaping the curves of a humble bottle and painting it with iridescent pastels, we create these ethereal jellyfish planters. As the summer breeze catches the soft jute tentacles, the ivy seems to swim through the air. It is more than just recycling. It is about bringing a rhythmic, calming movement to your patio. Just look at how those colors shimmer under the golden, warm afternoon sun. There is something so deeply satisfying about perfect geometry nestled within the wildness of nature. These hexagonal pockets, meticulously crafted from square bottles, fit together like a puzzle on your fence. When you fill them with trailing blue lobelia, the rigid lines soften into a living tapestry. It transforms a flat, boring wooden surface into a sophisticated architectural statement. It is clean, it is modern, and yet, it feels so incredibly alive and inviting for the soul. You would never guess these elegant, rippled vases started as simple plastic. With just a touch of heat, the material transforms into an organic, glass-like sculpture that catches every ray of light. Nestled with smooth white pebbles and emerald potholes, they bring a high-end, minimalist luxury to your garden table. Proves that beauty does not have to be expensive. It only requires a bit of vision to turn the everyday discarded into something truly breathtaking and timeless. Let's add a little bit of magic to the trees. This tiered chandelier, crafted from delicate bottle-bottom blooms, turns a quiet corner into a whimsical sanctuary. As it sways gently, the air plants tucked inside breathe in the garden air. The random splashes of soft pastel paint and the rustic charm of the jute twine create a festive, bohemian vibe. It is a celebration of light and life, hanging right there above your favorite resting spot in the garden. There is a quiet majesty in the form of a swan. By sculpting large water jugs and finishing them in a crisp, matte white, we achieve a look that rivals fine gallery ceramics. These planters sit so gracefully on a weathered bench, holding lush greenery as if they were born from the garden itself. It is a stunning example of how upcycled can mean stately. They add a touch of classic, luxurious romance to your outdoor sanctuary today. Texture is the secret ingredient to a cozy garden. By weaving vibrant waterproof ribbons around bottle frames, we create these charming sturdy baskets that pop against the greenery. The bright marigolds tucked inside look like little bursts of sunshine. It feels so tactile and handmade, bringing a sense of warmth and craft to your patio table. It is a playful, colorful way to hide the plastic and showcase your unique, creative spirit through every single ribbon fold. Sometimes your garden needs a bold, vertical exclamation point. This totem pole, a mosaic of painted plastic and wrapped twine, stands as a vibrant piece of folk art. The cascading pockets of red coleus create a literal pillar of fire that draws the eye upward. It is an ambitious, artistic project that turns waste into a towering monument of color. It feels powerful and energetic, standing tall amidst the lavender and daisies in your beautiful backyard landscape. Sleek, sharp, and undeniably cool. These angled bottle pockets, finished in a matte charcoal, bring a professional landscape designer's touch to any wall. The geometric grid looks so organized and clean, especially when overflowing with the soft textures of succulents and trailing vines. It is the perfect marriage of industrial recycling and organic growth. This setup proves that even a small space can feel grand and luxurious when you focus on clean lines and smart, repetitive patterns. There is a quiet wonder in seeing roots grow through clear water. These suspended globes, made from round juice bottles, look like giant dewdrops caught in midair. As they hang from the archway, the sunlight filters through the clear plastic, creating dancing reflections on the grass below. It is a minimalist, almost spiritual way to propagate your favorite plants. They feel so light, so airy, and so perfectly integrated into the peaceful golden atmosphere of a quiet, sunny morning. Let's bring a touch of old-world charm to the garden. By etching lace patterns into painted bottles, we create these delicate, antique-style vessels that look like heirloom porcelain. Filled with the cloud-like softness of baby's breath, they sit so beautifully on a stone pedestal. It is about the fine details, the tiny cuts and the creamy textures. This project reminds us that with a little patience, even the most basic materials can be refined into something exquisite and deeply poetic. Who knew a garden border could be this playful? These inverted, striped bottles create a rhythmic, colorful fence that guides you down the path. The moss roses spilling out of the tops add a soft, floral cushion to the rigid line. It feels like something out of a storybook, neat, organized, yet full of vibrant life. It is a clever way to define your space while keeping the vibe light-hearted and incredibly clean, just like a professional, manicured English cottage garden. Every garden needs a bit of character and a few hidden surprises. These handcrafted animal planters, foxes, hedgehogs, and owls, tuck into the flower beds like little guardians of the greenery. Their hand-painted fur and curious eyes bring a sense of joy to anyone who spots them. They turn a simple walk through the yard into a journey of discovery. It is the ultimate way to use your creativity to breathe personality and a bit of friendly soul into your outdoor home. It is truly amazing how a bit of paint and creativity can turn simple plastic into such elegant garden features. We have explored everything from bohemian chandeliers to modern charcoal pockets, proving that luxury is about vision, not price tags. If these ideas inspired you to start upcycling today, please hit that like button, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden, and comment below telling me which project was your favorite.